Dear partner, there are 5 main features of our elastomeric angled housings. 5 features are: Feature 1. 360-degree tight grip. Elastomeric housing edges are holding lenses extra tight with the flexible material. Light of the microscope creates heat, and this causes evaporation. Evaporation occurs due to plastic housings creating gaps between lens body and housing. Elastomeric design has the advantage to eliminate these gaps by holding the lens body tight. Plastic models are very rigid, therefore, they would need to be custom for each model, so there is no gap that's creating evaporation. Feature 2. Comparing 2 flat lenses, angled lenses creates less reflection. This reflections are affecting medical operations quality. 90-degree aspect reduces the reflection mostly, so medical operation quality improves. Feature 3. Universal elastomeric housings are enabling to have common drapes for similar sized devices. Since elastomeric material can stretch, it can fit to some common devices. Some measures of the drapes can fit to several distinct devices at the meantime. Due to flexibility of the housings, one size elastomeric housing can drape more than one model. Comparing to rigid plastic housings, consumers would need to keep less inventory to cover more devices at the meantime. This would create comfort to manage stock for some sizes of these common devices. Please review our updated product version brochure for elastomeric angled lens microscope drapes. So far we have more than 15 different drapes with elastomeric housings, and these versions are fitting mostly to following devices. 1. Carl Zeiss Opme Sensor. 2. Carl Zeiss Opme Vario. 3. Carl Zeiss Visu. 4. Carl Zeiss Pentero. 5. Carl Zeiss Opme Ergo. 6. Carl Zeiss Pro Magis. 7. Carl Zeiss Movina. 8. Carl Zeiss Pentero. 9. Carl Zeiss M. 10. Leica M. 11. Leica F. 12. Mahler Wedel. Feature 4. Velcro tapes allows consumers to readjust the tie if the tie happens to be loose. Adhesive tapes are usually a bit more difficult to readjust, and also Velcro tapes can be strong. Feature 5. Lens quality of our products is one of our product's strength. Transparency of the housing lens has been developed with 15+ years of experience with the product. Some products in the market has scratches or has blurry visuals that may affect quality of the medical operation. Please note, we can add new versions or add any customizations upon request to our list if it's requested. With specific samples you can provide, we are able to even add more measures to our portfolio if you would need. Based on your research or current information, if you need samples to participate current tenders, we can provide them for your participations. Looking forward for your responses.